going on? Thank you for watching another RF Creations video. I wanted to start today's video by showing you guys a few things that I got for the RX-7 straight out of Japan. I hope you guys can hear me. There's a construction work going on right there, so they are making a lot of noise, but I hope you guys can hear me. As I said, I got these interior parts for the RX-7 straight out of Japan. As you guys know, some of these parts are very difficult to find, but thank God I found them, and thanks to my boy Jesse Streeter who hooked me up with all these parts. The first is the glove box. As you guys know, I bought the RX-7 as a project shell, and it didn't come with a glove box, and I like my interior to be complete. I like a nice interior and complete interior, so I had to look for one, and thankfully I got one. And this is the center console. This part is very easy to find, the top part, but the bottom part is very difficult to find. I searched everywhere, couldn't find it, so I found one in Japan, and Jesse Streeter hooked me up and he sent it to me. The next one is the meter. This is the meter hood. These like to break. These are very fragile. I got one in very good condition, almost like new. And the next one is the cluster. As you can see, Jesse Streeter packed the item perfectly packed. As you can see, this is the cluster cover. It's in perfect condition, no scratches, nothing at all, man. Very happy. And these are second hand, and they look like new. For real, guys, for real. This is Japan. These guys in Japan take good care of their cars and everything, man. And also, I was searching through Amazon and found this rotary Felix, and I had to get it. So these are the parts that I got so far for the RX-7. I still have a few coming in on the way, and I have to say I'm very excited for the RX-7 project. I have huge plans for the RX-7, and it's going to look very good in the future. So let's continue with today's video. Alright guys, so my father got this amazing looking Greddy Ken G steering wheel, and today we're going to install it on his car. So, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Alright guys, how going on? Today we're gonna try to replace the steering wheel. And first of all, what we got to do is pull this step out so we can have the nuts, so we can loose the steering wheel. So let's try it.
Should be held with clips, right? Only clips?
Only clips. So just a little
bit struggle.
Yes, like this. Turn the steering wheel. It should come out.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So we have to take this out.
That's for the horn, right?
There we go. Yep, that's the horn. Pap, pap. All right.
So what's the next step?
The next step, we have to use a socket.
So 19 millimeters?
About 19 millimeters. We lose this, and it's supposed to
wiggle it out?
Yep.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright. Right. There we go. So some guys have special tools. You have a special tools to pull this steering wheel out, but I like to use hand power, so that's a traditional. Okay. So it should come like this. All right. Alright guys, how you can see, so we have the steering wheel pull out of the steering rack, and now we have the bus kit, so we're gonna install it so the steering wheel can hook up on it. So let's do it.
It's very easy. Just put the bus kit in place and tie the 90mm bolt back, right?
That's right. There we go.
So it's already in place. Now we're
Place.
going to tighten the 90mm
right.
bolt again. So the bus kit is already in place. My father is right now tightening the 90mm bolt. As you can see, it's ready. Is it ready?
Ready.
So right now we're going to proceed with the steering wheel. So guys, we forgot to mention, you should, before removing your stock steering wheel, you should double check to see if your wheel is straight. Then you can uninstall it. So right now my father is ready to install the steering wheel onto the bus kit. It consists of 6 bolts, and it's that easy to install. Piece of cake. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Greddy Ken G steering wheel installed on my father's S13.
Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her to lay. My hook in the water, she liking my bed. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cape. You beef with me, don't think you ever save.
What do you think about the steering wheel?
I love the steering wheel. It's looking great. It's looking awesome. You can see the difference.
I think it goes well with the color of the car and your interior.
I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I think the car is happy also because they go with the interior. So yes, I do like it.
Great upgrade, nice job.
There we go.
Alright guys, so there you have it. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's short video. So if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or questions, make sure to leave it down below the comment section. You guys stay safe, stay at home. I know the world is crazy these days, but we will get through this together. So you guys stay safe, take care, see you on the next video. Remember to keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.